CMS. Today is Friday, October 9th, 2020. We're going to be standing for the pledge right now. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, today's menu, Friday's menu. Choice A, beef barbacoa burrito, fiesta beans, salsa, sour cream, cucumber slices, mixed fruit, or fresh fruit. Now for choice B, pepperoni calzone with marinara. Now we move on to Monday's menu. That's next week. We have barbecue riblet sandwich, steak fries, vegetable medley, watermelon, and fresh fruit. Choice B, stuffed crust pizza. For breakfast, sweet cinnamon snackin' waffle. Sweet cinnamon snackin' waffle. There, that sounds better. Juice or milk. We now move on to a new announcement. It's Beards for Bicycle giveaway. I'll say that again. Beards for Bicycles giveaway will take place. This is going to take place at the Village Hall in Seville on October 18th. This giveaway is for ages 3 to 14. There's a drive-through and you get a free ticket between the hours of 10 a.m. until 12 p.m. And at 12:01 p.m., the drawing begins. 12 bicycles will be given away. You will be notified if your name is drawn so that you can return and pick up your new bike. Courtesy of Walmart in Wadsworth, a new helmet will also be given with the bike. I mean, that's pretty sweet. So you get a brand new bike and then you get a helmet. I think that's pretty awesome. I want to go there for the drawing. I'm still a little iffy on the whole beards thing, beards for bicycles. I really don't understand why there's beards, plus it's from 3 to 14, ages 3 to 14, and then there's beards. I don't understand that, but I do understand that I like to ride a bike, and I get a helmet too. All right, moving on to the next one. Halloween costumes, props, accessories, and stuff. Friday, October 9th, today, one day only. In front of Cloverleaf High School, from 3 to 7, everything goes in 4 hours, and nothing is over $15. Mostly $5 and under to benefit the CHS Drama Club. All right, so basically, to sum it up, you got costumes and props and other accessories that are going to go on sale that you can get, and it's going to be under $15. It's only going to go for 4 hours. So that's from 3 to 7 on October 9th, which is, by the way, today, which is also Picture Day. Wow. A lot of things going on Friday, huh? All right, now we move on to CMS students and staff. Here's a special announcement for Socktober. Man, this drive is awesome. It starts next week, which is literally in 3 days from now. Wait, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Yeah, that's 3 days. I'll give you that. So 3 days from now, on Monday, Socktober Fest begins. All right. We will hold a week-long competition between home bases, and the home base with the most pairs of socks donated during the sock drive will receive a donut breakfast. That's pretty awesome. Students who are attending school, bring your socks to your home base. Students who are online, there's going to be a drop-off bin outside the cafeteria doors for you. Remember, the drive starts Monday, October 12th, and ends Friday. There's a small window of time here to get those socks in. And they got to be new socks. Okay, no used socks. Used socks aren't good. On top of that, we have another special announcement. And I'm going to go to this picture. It's well done. So we're going to move on to the pictures here. It is... I clicked on the wrong button. Hold on. It is coming up in a brief second. I clicked on the wrong button. And now I'm stuck on a screen. This is why. And the screen is so far away that it's really hard for me to see what I actually clicked on. And now I'm clicking off of it. I figured it out. All right, this is pretty cool, or a little awkward, however you want to look at it. All right, that's the most amazing thing. Crazy Sock Day is Wednesday, October 14th. Show off your crazy socks. I know you got crazy socks out there. I have a pair of crazy socks. I feel like everybody's got a pair of crazy socks. Why not wear them? Now we move to the shout-outs. Today's 6th grade shout-out goes to Andrea Kelly. Andrea Kelly, congratulations. Today's 7th grade shout-out goes to Sage Peacock. Sage Peacock, congratulations, Sage. Today's 8th grade shout-out goes to Julia Nagy. Julia Nagy, congratulations. Now we move on to the teacher shout-out. And it's none other than Mrs. Shaw. Congratulations, Mrs. Shaw. Oh man, look at the bulletin board. We've got October donation collection from October 12th to the 16th. We also have Crazy Sock Day, October 14th. Mark it on your calendar. Quote of the day. One kind word can change someone's entire day. One kind word can do that. All right. Now, students, remember your Colt pride. Be responsible, be respectful, and be safe. All right. Happy Friday, everyone. I just want to thank you guys. Be safe, be smart, and make good decisions. And bring in those socks next week. Be blessed, Cloverleaf.